sanitizing, we're cleaning synthetic or human. Get your wig revitalized, cleaning up to catch a red eye. If you're dealing with hair loss, gotta make a call to the boss. If you wanna